Is it time to buy or sell Amazon stock? In this video, we will explore Amazon in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 31st of July, 2025, and now we are here to offer you an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You certainly don't want to miss any vital updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 28th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Amazon as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 5.44. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 14.36% since we first identified Amazon as a buy candidate 45 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.32% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock is situated in the midst of a strong rising trend in the short term, with further increases indicated within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 18.55% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging between 14.17% and 24.25%. In terms of a longer view, our 12-month analysis predicts a change of about 14.55%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 13.62% and positive 26.30% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $202.23 and $295.69. Our latest daily update for Amazon includes the headline, Amazon stock upgraded from hold to accumulate to strong buy candidate after Thursday trading session. The Amazon stock price gained 1.7% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 31st of July, 2025, rising from $230.19 to $234.11. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.22%, ranging from a low of $231.40 to a high of $236.53. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 4.57% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, the trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 64 million more shares traded than the previous day. Overall, 96 million shares were bought and sold, totaling approximately $22.47 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $242.52, while the lowest price was $151.61. Currently, the price is 3.47%, or $8.41 below the 52-week high, and 82.06%, or $1,071.09 below the all-time high on January 15, 2018, when the price peaked at $1,305.20. Amazon's second quarter earnings report presents a mixed outlook for the tech giant, showcasing both its strengths and areas of concern. The company announced earnings of $1.68 per share, exceeding expectations of $1.33, and demonstrated strong performance in retail, especially in North America, which boosted overall revenue. However, shares declined following the announcement, mainly due to disappointing growth in Amazon Web Services, a segment that, while representing less than a third of total revenue, accounts for approximately 60% of operating income. In a strategic move, Amazon is increasing its capital expenditures, expected to surpass $118 billion annually, as it intensifies competition in the cloud sector, particularly against Microsoft and Google. This investment is essential for enhancing its AI capabilities, yet the short-term outlook remains uncertain due to competitive pressures and potential impacts from tariffs affecting sellers. Despite the strong retail performance and solid overall earnings, investor sentiment appears shaken by weak guidance and concerns over delayed returns from AI and cloud investments. Analysts suggest that while the dip may present a potential buying opportunity, the stock price could experience volatility in the short term due to these mixed signals. Long-term prospects remain positive, driven by robust retail and cloud momentum, but cautious investors may choose to wait for clearer signals before making commitments. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 30th of July, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned Amazon a rating of outperform along with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of July, 2025, UBS reported a buy rating for Amazon accompanied by a hold action. On the same day, Morgan Stanley also rated Amazon as overweight with a hold action. On Friday, the 11th of July, 2025, Piper Sandler assigned an overweight rating to Amazon along with a hold action. The day before, on Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, Citigroup rated Amazon as market outperform with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Amazon stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Amazon. The Amazon stock indicates buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, there will be support from the levels at $231.44 and $221.79. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, June 23, 2025, and thus far it has increased by 12.3%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Volume is also rising alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical indicator. However, some negative signals have emerged as well, which may impact short-term developments. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal from 28 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 60 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 29 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 43 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 38 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Amazon. Amazon finds support from accumulated volume at $223.30. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is likely when this support is tested. Generally, the stock demonstrates very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered very low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $5.13 between its high and low, which is an increase of 2.22%. Throughout the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.34%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Amazon, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 31st of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.31. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Amazon. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, indicating that the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to guide your exit strategy. On the downside, Amazon encounters its first support level at $223.30. If this support level holds firm, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Amazon from various analysts is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Jeffrey Bezos, who bought and sold 4,800,655 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 97.725. In total, insiders have purchased 178,735 shares and sold 26,193,280 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $224.94, reflecting a decrease of 3.92%. This stock exhibits very low daily movements, which contributes to its minimal risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom that was identified 27 days ago. Is Amazon stock a good buy? Amazon exhibits several positive signals and is currently in a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Based on this, we believe it is a sound investment at present levels and anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. We have updated our assessment of this stock since the last review, changing our recommendation from a hold to a strong buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 1st of August, we expect Amazon to open lower by approximately 10 cents and begin trading at $234.01. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.